Well, hello everybody, and I got to tell you, we are only up to 29,000 public comments here, and yeah, the deadline is in less than 5 days on 3/2. So I don't know. Again, I'm going to say I don't know if this is 11:59 p.m. on Monday 3/2, or if this is 11:59 p.m. on Sunday 3/1 going into Monday. But regardless, I would say get your comments in before Sunday evening 3/1, just to play it safe, to make sure they don't cut it off by midnight on Sunday evening. So. Look, guys, look, 29,000, that's absolutely disgusting. It really is. Honestly, it really is disgusting. Just think about the number of people in this country, that just the hobbyists alone, there's several 100,000 of us. Where is everybody? Why aren't we commenting? What's going on here? Then you got to think of all the people that do some form of RC aviation, whether it's for a hobby or a source of therapy or a business or your blogs, your video blogs, whatever it is. It doesn't matter. If you're flying something in this country, this is going to severely affect you and probably shut you down completely. The whole idea is this is to make room for commercial delivery drones. Clear the airspace of everybody and everything so they can fly commercial delivery drones everywhere. And I got to tell you, you anti-drone people and you people that just don't like anything RC or whatever, or anything that flies, you might think this is a good idea, but I got news for you. You are going to be in for a big surprise when there's hundreds or even thousands of commercial delivery drones flying around your neighborhood every single day. Are you going to like that? So get out here, even if you're anti-drone, and comment on this. Say, we do not want this. That is the whole idea of this, is to have commercial delivery drones. So let's get out here and comment. I got links to this page in my description, along with a link to an alternate comment page. I've also got links to be able to find your representatives and your senators so you can comment to them as well. But get your comments here to the FAA now. Come on, people. Let's go.